Hello, my name is Sam Kennedy with Crestron. I'm here at the Zoomtopia 2023 show and wanted to show one of the big announcements we have at the show, and that is a new device running the Zoom phone appliance. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock it. What the device is, it's running that Zoom phone appliance software. So that gives you that all-in-one, it's the microphone, cameras, speakers, and in a new Zoom phone. So it gives me that all-in-one device that makes it really easy to deploy. In fact, I use this at my desk. It's really quite enjoyable. I'm just going to do a quick call there. You can see that the video is, I have the camera, I'm the only one connected, but it gives me that ability to have a single device that where very easy to deploy for small huddle spaces, for executive spaces. We're a very attractive price point, but it's really great for those users who want an external device to, so I don't have to do all of that calls on my personal, my PC or my PC or my Mac. So I get that full-on Zoom phone experience on a nice 10-inch screen. So to learn more about this, the new Zoom phone appliance from Crestron, please go to www.crestron.com.